Hi everyone! In today's class, we have a breaking down yoga pose and we are going to focus on triangle or Trikonasana. You may need blocks for this one, so go ahead and make sure you have them nearby. So we'll start off with our right foot forward and then you'll go ahead and step your left foot back. Okay. So one of the key things that we should watch out for is your stance in triangle pose. Okay, so you can bring it as wide as you like or maybe a little bit closer. And then in a moment, you'll see if you need to adjust once we're into it. Okay. Now, normally back foot is at an angle, but you can always adjust that depending on how your back foot feels. And then when you're ready, we'll bring the arms out to a T. You'll reach that right hand forward and then bring the left hand down. And then, right hand down and then left arm reaches up. Okay. So you'd also hear some teachers grab a block. Okay. Know that props are there to give you assistance. Okay. Normally, if you find that the floor is too far away, you can use a block and then we'll reach that left arm up. So once we're in this shape, okay, there are a lot of efforts to watch out for or look out for. So first, what's in contact with the mat? So we have our feet. Okay, so you also want your thighs to traction towards each other. Okay, so there's that element of the lift. And then from here, our back hip or the left hip, you want it to reach back, okay, but as your chest or crown of the head reaches forward. So you want that effort of lengthening. Okay, and then when you're ready, top arm reaches up. Okay, and then there are different variations to the hands. Maybe even left hand can reach over the head. Okay. Now bottom arm, okay, we don't want all of the weight dumping into that right hand. Okay. So you want to push away, okay, whether left arm is lifted or over the head. Okay. Now also one thing to look out for is both sides of the waist. So in this case, we might feel more our left side lengthening, but you also want your right side lengthening as well. Now, as you reach the crown of the head forward, left hand reaches up, thighs are tractioning towards each other, and then you can hold triangle for as long as you like. Okay. Maybe some have access to actually bring that bottom hand closer or maybe even down to the floor. So know that that is not absolutely necessary. What we want is to be able to hold the shape effectively and efficiently for you without holding the breath. Okay, so breathing in and breathing out. Okay, and then from here, we'll slowly come up. You can bend that bottom knee slightly, come up, okay, and then maybe hands come together as you step forward, and then you can give yourself a shake, and then go ahead, you can try that on the other side. Namaste. So I hope that was very helpful for you on what efforts you need to work on to hold triangle or Trikonasana. So I would like to thank you for watching. This is Every Yoga by Jo and Daya, sharing everyday yoga for everybody.